Hello everyone, I'm Carminia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute tassel. It is very easy. Hope you will like it. We get a blocking board. Set the distance a little bit longer than your tassel size. Wrap the yarn along. So we go along until you think it is full enough. So that's how it looks like now. Then we cut it off. So we tie it along. Okay, get it off. Then another knot. Okay, that's how it looks like now. Now we grab another little piece of yarn. Okay, put it on top, and then we leave a little bit longer than our real tassel so we can recognize it. You hold these two cords with your thumb. Then you wrap around. Okay, I think that's enough. Then, so find this out. Bring the cord through. Then we pull the other end. Okay, so then we can cut it. Now we can cut this end off. Okay, in order to make sure it's the same length. So I can sellotape it. Now I'm going to cut all this yarn off. Okay, that's our tassel. Don't worry if you don't have blocking board. We can use almost anything. So again, wrap over. I think that's enough. Cut it off. Turn it around. This one go to the other side. Go around. Maybe go from here. And then we take it off. Again, we tie a knot. Okay, we tie another knot. So then you just repeat the procedure before. It will become on the same result.